Power you can feel and performance you can trust. Meet the 18-volt 3/8-inch SX Drive cordless drill driver. This compact powerhouse features a 2-speed gearbox with speeds up to 1,750 revolutions per minute and delivers 37 foot-pounds of adjustable working torque with a variable speed trigger for precise control. The SP83235BU comes complete with a 20-position clutch, hammer mode, a single-sleeve keyless chuck, a spindle lock, an LED light, and an onboard magnetic bit holder. Lightweight at just 2.1 pounds without the battery, it's ready to pair with your SX Drive batteries, sold separately. Built for precision drilling, fastening, and light jobs in the shop or on the road. Success is built with SP tools.